Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to reduce audio peaks using Audacity. This is super useful when you're dealing with sudden volume spikes in your recordings that can cause distortion or make your audio sound unprofessional. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Audacity app on your PC. Once the application launches, you'll see your audio project interface ready to go. At the top of your screen, you'll notice the selection tool. Click on it to make sure it's active. This tool allows you to highlight and work with specific portions of your audio track. Now click and drag over the section of audio where you want to reduce the peaks. If you want to apply this effect to your entire recording, simply double-click anywhere on the audio track to select all of it. This will highlight the entire waveform in a lighter shade, indicating that it's ready for editing. Next, direct your attention to the top toolbar and click on Effect. This menu contains all of Audacity's audio processing tools that help you modify and enhance your recordings. From the drop-down menu that appears, hover your mouse over Volume and Compression. This category contains several tools designed to control the loudness and dynamic range of your audio. From this submenu, select Limiter. A new window will pop up with various limiter settings and controls. Don't worry if it looks a bit technical at first. In the top left corner of this window, click on Presets and Settings. This opens up a menu with pre-configured options that are optimized for different use cases, saving you from having to manually adjust every parameter yourself. From this menu, hover your mouse over Factory Presets. You'll see a list of different preset options, each designed for specific audio scenarios. Select VO Limiter. This preset is specifically designed for voice recordings and does an excellent job at controlling sudden loud peaks while keeping your voice sounding natural. It prevents clipping, keeps your speech more consistent, and most importantly, preserves your voice's character. Plus, it saves you time by eliminating the need for manual adjustments. Before applying the effect permanently, click the preview button located at the bottom of the window. This lets you hear how your audio will sound with the limiter applied, giving you a chance to make sure everything sounds right before committing to the changes. If you want to fine-tune the effect further, you can adjust the threshold, release, and other settings according to your preference. The threshold determines at what volume level the limiter kicks in, while the release controls how quickly the limiter stops working after a peak passes. Once you're satisfied with how everything sounds during the preview and the peaks are properly controlled without making your voice sound unnatural, click Apply. The limiter will now process your audio and reduce those peaks effectively. And there you have it. You've successfully reduced audio peaks in your recording using Audacity's limiter effect. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.